So hi, welcome back again. My name is Russell Dent, as you know. I'm not in Blackpool, I'm in Mallorca, and I am reviewing a hotel. The hotel I'm reviewing is the Bordoy Hotels. Just going to show you around the hotel, see what the hotel has to offer, food and activities, and what it's like in the all-inclusive bar and the swim area. Yeah, so we spent nearly two weeks here. We're doing excursions. We've been to Pirates. That's one of the biggest shows on the island, and another one called Sonoma. That's another one of the biggest shows on the island. Those two shows, Pirates and Sonoma, are amazing. Don't forget there's a jacuzzi here that you can go in free up until 6 o'clock every day, a sauna, a steam room if you want to go and relax. Once I get back from Mallorca, I will be back in Blackpool reviewing the worst hotels again, but not for long. I will venture out.
Hi, my name is Barry and I'm the co-founder and program manager with an organisation called Venture Out Wilderness Project.
I am going back to one hotel and reviewing it again, so that'll be interesting, so watch that. Okay, this is our hotel. Okay, so I'm sorry to interrupt you. Yeah. But what is your name?
Jenny.
So how long are you here for?
I'm actually leaving tomorrow.
Are you all inclusive?
Yeah.
If you want to get, show the wrist. Right, Jenny.
Yeah.
Do you speak any Spanish?
Sí, yo hablo español.
Outside the hotel, the cats. Hello. This one's got a bent spine. Hello, darling. I've not seen you for a while, have I? I think these are wild. Wait, you knew I was there? Oh, yummy. You okay? Hey, no. You're gonna love this one. There you go. Hey. Hello, beautiful. If you come to this hotel, you will see these cats outside. Please say hello. Anyway, let's get inside. The joy you can buy. It's quite a big hotel. There's look at all the space. Loads of space. So if you're on the first floor, 2 steps will take you to the floors, or you can take the lift. These are your toilets, and that's your spa. You can enter it every day free of charge if you're all inclusive up until 6 o'clock. That's your restaurant. You can book once a week, and here you come here in the day, and through the day, I think it's 1 till 3 or until the food's gone. They'll have like burgers, chicken, chips and everything there. You've got a coffee machine, all-inclusive bar.
I cannot believe, just keep your eye out for this one. It's the hotel featured cooking show, usually held in the all-inclusive bar area, probably every 2 weeks. They made an incredible paella for everyone to taste during our stay. It was amazing, don't miss it.
So here is your coffee bar, Coke when you want, and fresh orange when you want. Well, powdered I would say. And that's your bar. And here is some ice cream. Even if you're all inclusive, you still have to pay for that. But if you're all inclusive, that's your free ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Tiny little tubs really. pool, which is quite deep. So here you've got a court where you can play different games, with soccer and basketball, and around there you play archery and shooting. I love these corridors. Here we go. Okay, so we've already been here quite a while. So kind of settled in the room, but just to show you from the back, it's quite a big room. That's a room key you get two. It's quite a big room, 2 twin beds, and plenty of space. So you've got a TV there, tea and coffee facilities. Obviously we get them in the hotels that I do in Blackpool, but you know, these are a lot cleaner. But the coffee and tea, I don't know. The milk I don't like here, and the coffee, and wooden floor. Beds are clean. They take the quilts off. But to be honest, we have the you know, the fan on cold. Let me show you. The fan's on freeze, high and cold. You can switch it up for heat and have the temperature rising. But we don't, we just keep it nice and cold. There's space to, you know, hang all your clothes and drawers. Plenty of space down there. You've got a mini fridge, a safe, and all your bits and pieces that you can put in there. Whether there's enough space there, I don't know. But I could do with more space, to be honest. But then you've got all this here along there. You can stick all your rubbish in. I mean, it's been a mess a few times, so I've had to clean it. There's your telephone. These lights, quite nice, quite golden, and nice back picture. The beds are really comfortable, and there's your outside, and you've got a balcony. So let's go over to the balcony. These are like net curtains. Let's have a look at the balcony. Yeah, it's not, you know, there's not a lot to see, but still a balcony's a balcony. So that table in there, I've put in there because I put my computer on it, but it's normally here. And this extends so you can put some clothes on there or hang them over there if you want. So that's a balcony. Up is for open. Down is for lock. Nice little chair there if you need it. Sockets, a 2-pin, so get yourself one of these, and then plug that in, and then you can plug your British plugs in like that. Do you like that? These lights are really nice. At night they swing like this. Freaks me out, but it's the fan. It hits them net curtains and the air comes around the room, so it's really cold at night. Nice big mirror, plenty of lighting, and here's the bathroom. So there's your toilet, all your toilet rolls, bin, and towels there, hairdryer. There's your sink. So nice sort of walk-in shower. Shower head's really big. You get these, shampoo, bath gel and conditioner, or they've refilled them today, which is good. And there's the towel rails. You get your towels replaced every day. Throw your towel on the floor and whatever's on the floor they will replace for you. Every day they change the beds, so you might have this in the room. If you throw this on the bed, that will tell the maids that you want fresh bedding. So you could put this on your door outside. That's if you're snoozing. This other side if you want them to come in and change the sheets. But I have asked the maids, if this is not on the door, these will still come in and change the sheets. Bin down there. TV's alright. TV's got English channels on it, so you can still watch your Coronation Street and that. Bought ourselves this for the sea. This is like €18, so it's not cheap. I like some of the decor in here. You know, the lamps. The lamps are nice. One thing it's not got is an ironing board or an iron. I think you have to request them. We've not requested them because we just wash the shirts and hang them, and creases normally come out. More plug sockets there, one there, got some here, one down there. I mean, bed test, don't need to do it. Seen it, done it, slept in it. It's absolutely fine. Very comfortable beds. And the air conditioning is fantastic. That's what you need to know. Right. This is your breakfast entrance in the morning. Let's get to the beach bar. So when you come into Alcudia, make sure you do the Old Town Market. So I hope you like everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, to subscribe, and most of all, hit that notification bell. That's so important, so you know what I'm uploading next. And if it's difficult to hear me because I don't have my mic, it will be replaced shortly and you will be able to hear my voice a lot better. But for now, this is me signing out. I'll speak to you on my next review, which we will be back in the UK, back in our hazmats, back in the same old hotel. Hopefully we'll find something more interesting. I did want to find the worst hotel in Blackpool. I think I've already found that, but somebody said there's a worse one than that, so that's the one I'm going to.
Our 2-week all-inclusive stay at Bordoy Hotel in Alcudia was truly delightful. From start to finish, the staff were incredibly accommodating and always had smiles on their faces, including the hard-working cleaning crew. The buffet food was mostly very good, though breakfast and dessert occasionally missed the mark. Beer and wine on tap, and dinner and coffee availability would be welcome improvements. The pool was fantastic, deep and perfect for a refreshing swim. Be sure to claim your sunbed early as it gets busy. While the entertainment was underwhelming, we understand that Bordoy has just taken over, so changes are likely on the way. Our room was modern and clean, and the location was excellent. Just a short walk to the beach and nightlife. No in-room laundry, but there's a convenient 24-hour laundry mat nearby. Despite minor issues, the excellent service and world-class Alcudia beach made our stay memorable. Highly recommended.